Hello guys, in this video we will see how to install and configure MySQL 9.2 on Debian 12.9. Okay, so first open in web browser, then download. Go to MySQL official website, that is mysql.com. Click on downloads, click on MySQL community downloads, then click on MySQL community server. See here we have the versions 9.2. But when you are installing, if you are unable to find this version, you can click on this archives. Okay, then select the operating system, select Debian Linux. Once you selected, see populated list of the Debian packages that needs to be installed. Instead of downloading each package, just to download this deb bundle package. So click on download, click on no thanks, just start my download. Wait a moment, download will be started. See, download started and its size is 484 megabytes. Wait until download completes. See, download completed. Now open terminal. Go to downloads directory. ls, see here we have the MySQL server 9.2. So first we have to untar this file. tar -xf. Then give the MySQL tar file. Give the MySQL and give the tab to autofill entire tar file name. Hit enter. Extraction completed. Type ls. See here we have the list of the Debian packages. We have to install these packages. But before installing this, we have to install following dependencies. Ctrl L. Sudo apt-get install libaio-dev makeup -ipadic utf. It is makeup, not makeup. Type and hit enter. Ctrl A. Now install these Debian packages. Sudo dpkg-i start.deb. Hit enter. See, installation has been started. Now we have to provide the password for the root account. So provide, hit enter, confirm the same, hit enter, ignore these errors. See, ignore these errors, but we have installed MySQL Server 9.2 on Debian Linux. Ctrl L, verify the status, sudo systemctl, status MySQL. Give the tab, hit enter. See, MySQL Server is running. Now connect to MySQL Server. MySQL-u root-p. Hit enter. Then provide the password. See, we have connected to MySQL Server 9.2. Let us verify the version by running the. See, we got the same version number. Now verify the list of the databases. Show databases. These are the default databases comes with MySQL installation. Let us create a database. Create database, verify. See, new database is there. Now switch to this database and create a table. You can switch by using this use command or keyword. Verify the current database. See, we have the bank database. Now create a table. Now verify table, show tables. See, we have new table. Let us insert some data into this table. Now verify the data. Now we are going to see how to create user. Before that, verify the list of the users. So users, this won't work. You can get the list of the users by running the command select user from mysql.user. See, these are the default users that comes with MySQL installation. Create user, then provide the password. See, we have created user. Let us verify. See, new user James is created. Now exit and connect MySQL Server 9.2 by using this new user. MySQL-u. Here we have to give the username. Username is James-p. Hit enter. Then provide the password of this new user. Is password wrong? See, we have successfully connected. Let us verify the current user. See, I have connected MySQL with the user James. Okay, now switch to bank database. See, we are unable to connect because this user doesn't have the privileges. We just created user, but we haven't granted any privileges. That's why we have received that error. Now exit. Now we will see how to stop, start and restart MySQL service on Debian. Sudo systemctl status MySQL. See, MySQL service is running. Now stop it. Sudo systemctl stop MySQL. Now verify the status. See, MySQL service is dead or inactive 2 seconds ago. Okay. Now also we can verify by trying to connect to MySQL-root-b. Then provide the password of root account. See, we are unable to connect because MySQL server is stopped. Now start it again. Sudo systemctl start MySQL. Hit enter. Now verify again. See, MySQL server is running. Now try to connect to MySQL. See, we have successfully connected. Exit. Now we will see how to restart. Sudo systemctl restart MySQL. Verify again. See, MySQL server is running. Quit Ctrl-L. Until now, we have connected MySQL by using command line client. We can also connect MySQL by using dbeaver or MySQL Workbench. For MySQL Workbench, go to mysql.com. Then click on Downloads again. Then click on MySQL Community Downloads. Then click on MySQL Workbench. Then select the operating system, Ubuntu Linux. Then we have to download. This is the way to download and install MySQL Workbench on Debian Linux operating system. The other tool is debiaver.io. These are the most popular tools. Scroll down. See, here we have the debiaver Community Edition and debiaver Pro. So click on download. Then we have to download this Debian package. See, once we click on download started. I am not going to download. Just cancel. Okay. Then we have to download and we have to install. Same like sudo dpkg-i. Then we have to give this Debian package. Then we can connect. For this dbeaver and MySQL Workbench installation, you can go through my channel. There you can search for how to install dbeaver and MySQL Workbench. Okay. The last step is ls. See, we have successfully installed MySQL server. So these files are not required anymore. So rm start.dev ls, remove the star file. So rm MySQL, give the tab, hit enter, ls. We have cleared the space. So in this video, we have seen how to download, install and configure MySQL Server 9.2 on Debian 12 operating systems. For more MySQL tutorials, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.